in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia and the 6 commissioners, Amy Ferolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Nuria Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pito, attested by Chupisto Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Lapi to come up the stage for a photo opportunity.